Right, good day. My name is Agbo Sunday from Cast Structure Technology. In this class, I'll be showing you how to create a new Spatialite layer on Qgis. Okay. I want you to have your system available, the software installed, so that you can practice every step. You can pause your video at any time and practice every step of this video. And then, if you have any question, right, if you have any question at the course of this training, if there's any confusion, you can comment your question on our comment section, and the response will be given back to you immediately. Do you understand? Or you can contact Cast Structure Technology in any of our social media. And then I also want you to, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, like and subscribe, and possibly share our video so that others will benefit if the video actually help you in solving your problem using QGIS. Okay, so for start, what we need to do, you go to your layer, okay, and then create, and then new Spatialite layer. Okay, now Spatialite layer is also a layer, a data format in QGIS, or in GIS actually. The difference between this and shapefile is that two people can be able to work at the same time, right, and then be saving. For example, if you have a point or a polygon and then you are digitizing, so far maybe you put it on your particular server that other people can access. So it is that 2 or 3 people can be able to work at the same time and still be saving, and there will be no problem of this file is open as read only. This is open by somebody. You cannot be able to do digitize with it, or you digitize, you cannot be able to save again. You will not have a problem with that, like the way it is when you are using shapefile. So that is the essence of Spatialite layers and some other things, but these are some of the common reasons for that, or the advantage of using Spatialite layer. Okay, so now you see, if you remember in our creating shapefile class, we have the same geometry type, you understand, but in this case now you have line, you have multi-line, you have point, you have multi-points, you understand. So you discover that you have to say many people can be able to be doing at the same time. So let's say I'll put it as let's assume we want a multi-polygon, right? Okay, so the same thing you do, this is a database, so you can browse to a location where you want to save your Spatialite layer, like a database. You understand? It's a semi-database, not a full geo package, right? Okay, so I'll click here, then I'll go to my desktop, my training folder, and then I'll create let's say I call it Spatial. You can use any name, right? So I will now click save. Okay, registered a new database. Okay, new database have been registered. Then we talk about the layer name. Let's say the layer name is polygon 1. Okay, and then we always select the geometric type. Then we'll specify the coordinate system. In this class we are going to use Mina UTM. It has zone 32. I click OK. Okay, now this is the place for field, new field, where you add attribute information. Do you understand? So now, based on the fact that it's a polygon, what do you need? So let's assume the name, right? And then it's going to be a text data, if you remember from our creating shapefile class. Okay, and okay, from there you can add to list, and then let's say the size, let's say the area of the polygon. In this case it's going to be in decimal number. Okay, and then I click add. Okay, so let's assume this is the informations that we want to add. Unless if you make any mistake in adding the field and you want to remove, you can click any of them. Like if you want to remove the name or the area, you can click and remove. Do you understand? Okay, so having done that, then you just click on OK. So you see you have your polygon here. You can click start edit, add feature, and start your digitizing. Now you see it will just exact like the way we work during our shapefile class. So thank you very much. So this is how you can create your Spatialite layer on QGIS. Thank you and God bless you. Please subscribe to our channel.